so this one has quite a big problem today. Smaller one here, but L5, there's one big one, so we're gonna fix that one first. Three, two, one. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1。那可以看这里吗？头团这里，好。OK， 左边，头看左边啊。头看团这里啊 ，OK， 好，手回来啊。1, 2, 3。OK， 那可以回来头，好。So there's two big problem here, one here and then another one over here. Your mom's still brave? Still brave, huh? Last time she very brave now. Okay, huh? Okay. Okay, 深呼吸，呼气，慢慢。OK， 好。Oh, it's still very brave. 手可以松这里吗？这里放松一点，可以。2, ，OK。头看下面，怕吗？有怕吗？有。我可以给你一个工作吗？什么工作？很容易的，不要怕，可以吗？Something to do to help this part here, huh? Because I feel the spine, I fixed the alignment already, but next to the spine, left side and right side, the muscle here very short. So when it's not even the length, then the alignment will get misaligned again very quickly. So we try to lengthen this one. Something very easy to do, huh? 那可以转过来。I'm gonna keep checking. This one here. 可以开口吗？大一点。OK， 眼关。可以了，关起来。可以了，有一点痛啊，那个，
有一次你跟我弄到回去都淤青了。
怎么说？Okay, this one got one small problem, not too big. Also got small one.
这有点痛。
啊，有吗？
有点没有。 你有看吗？这里就是这个拍到这个地方。
I'll have a good look later. Check the alignment first. Alignment okay, so let's check things there. 如果我按这样哈，你有痛吗？不痛啊。还好，还好啊。
还好。
This side has an alignment problem, but the other side doesn't. So I will check and see whether I can find some other types of issue or not here. So you're saying it's a bit sore now, is it?
Yeah. 那边还会酸痛吗？
这里。
Also, they had some stitches.
有
Huh?
一点点，
Okay.
有一点痛。
It's more than 3 months already.
More than 3 months.
Okay, sure. Actually, there's also a very great bunch of muscles there as well. Yeah. There's actually under the area there where they did this, where they cut it out. I can feel there's a muscle that's also very tight on this side compared to this one. Maybe we just monitor this one for now. 可以后面一点吗？肩膀，好。So left shoulder blade has a problem. Oh, last time I gave her homework for the thumb. Did she still do?
I don't think she
This one?
remembers.
哦，忘记了。
那他上次有教你那个用手部练习，你还记得吗？
哦，那个他是
啊，
说
对，
这样。
有做吗？
哦，没做。没做。
哦。
他转多，我就好像转不，没有很顺。
这里 OK。如果我做这样，我按你有痛吗？
这样不痛。
啊 OK， 还有一个这里。
不是这里会痛。
一定要做那个工作啊。
哦。
这个的，对。
这样。
Because that will help to loosen the
我这样做。
muscle between the so. 不是这样。啊，你忘记了。I'll show her again. 好，后面一点。Okay. This one, if you hold here, 这样。啊，对。So just up and down 啊。对。
对，这样的。
啊，慢慢。Good. 你可以坐这里吗？
这边就是痛。
有点痛，
这边我就是痛。
下面一点。OK， 因为不是这个骨头。
不是这个。
Is the lower one.
是这个。
Is the lower part of the thumb 啊。
就是这个。
对
这样。
我跟你走啊。这样。
对呀，我就做不来这样子，这样。
下面一点。啊，这样。That's better. 慢慢这样，慢慢。好。一点痛没问题，一点痛。Okay, come, I show you this one.
Yeah.
So, this is you feel, there's a bone here.
Yeah.
I try to avoid this one, okay? So it's on top here. Okay. If you feel the muscle here, if you rub, I use 2 finger better. 2 finger. You feel it's quite hard. And you feel the other side. Different?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one is better. So if you put this one here, you have to stand.
Yeah.
You just hold this position here.
会酸痛吗？
有压力。
He says you feel pressure.
That's okay. Pressure is fine, yeah. So it doesn't need too sore, yeah. But as long as you get the right spot. So this one here, or here also can. But the bone just above is okay. Middle here. Here. You can feel that one.
And here a bit.
Here a little bit also, yeah.
Yeah.
But I think for now, focus on this one, yeah.
Okay.
So you just put the ball here, and then you push a little bit. Don't need to be too strong, yeah. So I show you on your hand.